Hello friends, it's Reza. Thank you for coming to channel Reza Blade. And today I am showing you my unboxing of the Maniology Mani Times Me or Mani Me kit. These are going to be once monthly, and the most that you'll pay for one, they do have discounts for longer subscriptions, but the most you'll pay for one is $25. And since you get 2 plates, 2 stamping polishes, and other stuff too, I think that this is a serious bargain, but I do need to see with my own eyes if it really is. So let's open. I have heard a lot of good things about this box. Yeah, I've seen some awesome pictures. They say, oh, it just talks about what's in here. So let me show you. My understanding is that you get a stamper on your first one, but not thereafter. I love this packaging. This is really great. It's very chic. All right, let's see what's in here. Whoa, that's a big stamper container. I wonder if I could use that for anything else. They include a little scraper. Those are generally a little too hard for me to use. I don't like that kind. It's the right amount of flexibility, but it's just the wrong size. All right, good. It's one of these square stampers with a lid. This is awesome. And it says Maniology on the side. And it's pretty firm. All right. So I'm going to pop that over here. And put these in the recycle. All right, what else do we have? We have, oh, I noticed to remember to remove the blue film. So very little tricks to help you stamp. That's basically what that little pamphlet is for. In case you're a beginner or you've had some trouble lately. Looks like this is my 2 polishes. Oh, they are lovely. This packaging is really great. It's a little too much packaging, I think, for them to be qualified as, you know, conserving, but it's really lovely. So the fuchsia color is, whoop, I'm upside down, corpse flower, and the periwinkle is boy's tears. So those look awesome. Oh, the 2 little pineapple candies. That's cute. All right, let's get to the meat. This is what I was really excited about. So these plates are going to be exclusive for the subscribers. Nobody else can get them. Come on. All right, this is Maniology M008. Looks like we've got some bats, some snacks. Ooh, I love that moon with the bats by it. Ooh, Ouija plackets. Or Ouija. Little skulls. Magic ball. Crystal ball, sorry. Oh, that's a cute gravestone. So, you'll see, oh, this is probably my favorite stamp on this plate. I hope you guys got a good look. Some of these are pretty crowded, so if you don't like your nails crowded, this particular month may not be for you. But it is up to you. Ah! Alright. This is M009. So we've got some characters over there. Ooh, I love these shapes. Those will be great. Big buffet image there. And let's see what these say. Creeping It Real. Happy Halloween. I can't read that. Spooky. That's really small. Oh well. This tree is pretty cool. And again, more shapes. And that is a lovely crescent moon. So, I'm pretty happy with this box. pretty good for value for money. And last thing I have to show you is these decals. Here's the first set. And the second set. Oh, this is backwards. I hope it all works out when you put it on. I like that one. Alright, so that is everything in the box. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, I have that giveaway coming up at 555 subscribers. If you want to see what's in the giveaway, there is a link within the description box to tell you exactly what I am giving away when I hit that 555 mark. So enjoy, and I'll include a link to where you can buy Maniology's box as well, of course. So I will see you guys later. If you have any questions, put them in the comments box. I'll see you later. Bye.